Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio lisan tan riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan
Unang yalam jangka Bharatiya Janata Party u Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal haga arpu pratare gujliu arajar arpulai ula 1 poi hasor nongpo Bhoi district bani shimbenta haga jingrakhe ya ga jingdap khandai snem ga jing sanshar jangka Sorkar BJP hapo ga jing yalam jong u Narendra Modi kum u menteri rangbadu haga jingyalang ka balalong ha Gladden Tower hanongpo laya shimenta lang daki nongyalam ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit lembat kidkhot ka BJP na Bhoi district.
I am representative of the national leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party, Dr. Dilip Kumar Jaiswal, state in charge Sikkim. I have visited Meghalaya, especially Shillong and Nongpo, for the celebration and interaction with the people of the completion of 9 years of the Sri Narendra Modi ji government. First, what the Sri Narendra Modi government have done for the country in the sector of foreign policy, in the sector of infrastructure, health sector, economic power, skill development, youth empowerment. Lots of work have been done by the Sri Narendra Modi ji government in 9 years. Of the Congress government leadership in this country, there was only 8 All India Medical Institute in this country. The Modi government in the 9 years constructed and established total 23 All India Medical Institute in this country. There was only 641 medical college in this country. And the Modi government have established 700 new medical college, including one in Meghalaya, Turoi. And now the number of medical colleges in the country is more than 1300. You know the shortage of doctors and paramedical staff in the hospital. The medical college, opening of medical college, opening of paramedical institutions is the real how to solve this problem. This is the real efforts of the Modi government. Modi ji has created such a road infrastructure, National Highway Authority, Bharatmala project and borderline road. You can see anywhere in India, the road, the construction of bridge, so many places, even in Northeast also. So, we are celebrating the Modi government effort for the country. I think the road communication, Jal Nal Yojana, electricity connection to villages, and free rice and food to the deprived all BPL family members. Electricity, communication, create the employment and other infrastructure in the sector of health, Ayushman Bharat facility. This is the primary and fundamental demand of the public. Regarding youth empowerment, skill development and the employment, the government is doing well, and I think within 2 or 3 years, youth empowerment, tourism sector and the employment also be one of the best part of the Meghalaya state. And we are going to develop all the district headquarters as a smart city in near future, and also we are planning for one new medical college also in different parts of the Meghalaya. Sir, this is the psychological problem of different type of person in India. India is 140 crore population, and this is only psychological problem, secularism and other part of the this type of problem.
Each and every state from all over India will send a report how the 9 years of Modi governments can make a difference to the nation, to the state. This is the message that we, being the parliament, we want to send the report to our Honorable Prime Minister. Kata kari kubar, ngimba bantren, hati kendai snem, ngimla ban penbek, ya kajing long jong kibriu, per election, hikren ya kahok election, lang syukren election, kibriu kong pisa election. Umani wang kumno, hilet, wat ya kajing sisa, tapi la yo ya kajing sisa wan report changi, kami kalian kalai kumno. Yin sa pak report Nilalay ban visit ya kene grim nilalay ban visit ya kiniya pat sakaruhin sa nilalay ban visit ya ka scheme ka bala ay isa da ka central government BJP ka nget ban penkelaya ke India dai da ka system namanya ndai syo de gitu o purana system dia
lada pi menjur balada pi sungu lada pi sutu ngatrai kala dai gapor basibon ba ki scheme ki bahalor babunjai ki development ba per la de paklut la de ailut na ke central government Henry kumbang iyo mene ya ke interactions hangte hapo parish Saint Paul ngiyo I ban ni shem badaki riu pai ba nong song snong jong ka Temri boy ba jong jela Meghalaya kim yo ya gineki so jong ka jing ai jong ka Sorkar Modi syaki longing ki long sem ki beduk Daynan, Dayna kata kadaw ngi penken mau syaki na kaway kapor siya kaway pat kapor ngi wan hang ne ban pek ban kmi ban pek permanro no bangin sa what balay ba kineki scheme central schemes baro kimpoy bat kim trekam hok siya kinong gendong bat siya kilonging kilong sem ki beduk bila yo nem ya ka Ayushman Bharat scheme gitu smart card ki bala yo sembarakti ka PM kisan kanamut bala yo Don em ki balay ang ne em balay ihapan wat ki jingkeli menta wat pide benyo ro ka juba menta uneu nong raktin syau prime minister jungi wan warun snap bangin sa le ai ka kubor syau nomor kendai snem niu I ba ka pertai bro ka way ka burom yo Modi dainem akapor ba ulai sa Amerika wang gubno Modi aus na marajar khatsau kari India ji kadang long ka basipeu ha ka yo ka kot ba ka jingkiu ha kiliang baro ha ka perthai men ha kene bodong lek piang kari India klapo ha kerdan ka besan denem menta nang ne sikmat pat Modi ulakular baladau poi biang kum wei nong elamu bekrau jong kari India ngin salong balai ha ka perthai